Yeah.
All right. Now next
So
is a
so the producer of the movies will only concentrate on action and adventures,
yes, but we'll
so they
see
can take decision.
in the further chart types whether it is recommended or not. We'll try to answer that also because we have not seen budget yet.
Okay, okay,
What what if the budget for the 19 movies are less than for the 5 movies that got produced?
okay.
That could also be the possibility, right?
Yes, yes.
All right. Now, what is a stacked bar chart? Can anyone tell? Again, it's a very common and a popular chart type. So, what is a stacked bar chart? So, stacked bar chart is just the extension of a standard bar chart. Now, what it does actually, you can have more than one categories in a stacked bar chart. Now the height of the bar is dependent upon the sum of all the categorical values and it is divided into categories with separate colors. For example, if I want to see the average watch hour for mobile and TV together, this is how it will look. So in 2019, it will first sum up the watch hour for mobile and TV, which is 16 and 9 is 25. So you can see the height of the bar is 25, correct? But this 25 is further segregated into the TV and mobile. So 16 from 0 to 16, you have mobile watch hour, and then I am stacking 9 on top of 16. So this is why this is known as stacked bar chart. And this is how you have in a vertical stacked bar chart. Cool. If you have more categories for 1 year, let's suppose, then we need to use as a stacked bar chart. Clear? Now let's see where we need to use it in our case. Now what is the trend of movies produced each year by genre? This I want to see in a stacked bar chart. Okay. First of all, can you help me in creating this because we have already done it. So Tableau did it in a line chart. So let's just do that in a line chart only, but we'll change it to the stacked bar chart at the later stage. So which all fields do we need?
Same in theater, January,
And we need in theaters. That's fine. Next,
January,
genre. Correct. We'll use genre. And then
but box
I want to
office.
count how many movies got produced. So I can
Okay,
use the record field.
okay.
Right? Perfect. Now it's a line chart. I want to make it as a bar chart. So how can I do that? From here, I can simply convert it into a bar chart. Right? Now height of the bar is 5, 2010. All I have to do is color this by separate genres. So I will put genre into color. Simple. Now height of the bar for 2018 will be 43 because there are 43 movies which are produced in 2018. But now we have separated it by every genre. This and this is giving you the same information but in a different visual plot. It's a line chart, it's a stacked bar chart. Now what's the benefit of stacked bar chart over a line chart? I will let you know once we are done with the activity for this. Now I also want to see the numbers of movies produced. All I have to do is put that into label. Clear? Now we can see that in drama for 2018 there are 19 movies. Is it same in here? 2018 drama 19. All I did, I just forced Tableau to change this line into bar because I wanted it as a bar chart. If I have it in the automatic way, this is how it will look. It's similar to this. There is a slight change. The change is because of this here is in green and this here is in blue. If I turn that into green, it will be same. See, now there is no difference between these two charts. Now why this is happening, we'll learn that later. You don't have to worry about this as of now. So we'll have a bar chart. Cool. Now next is the activity. Now let us create a similar chart to show the trend of box office collection over the years for different genre but in area chart. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to create a bit of chart for you, activity area chart, or you guys do how to do that. That's okay. Let's just give it a try. So which all fields do we need?
Same in theaters.
In theaters.
That is actually the date.
Cool. Then box office collection. So I would be using box office worldwide.
Worldwide.
And now,
There is automatic. There we should select area.
perfect. Now this is an area
Okay.
chart. Cool.
Okay. And
I want to see that for different genre.
different genre. So genre in color.
Perfect. Now again, this
Okay.
is definitely not a very good example of an area chart, but just wanted to let you know. Now this is a stacked area chart. This is also giving you the same information. If I convert this pill also into billions, currency custom, display units into billions, prefix as a dollar, there you go. Now if you read, it's again 5.27 billion. It is same in the previous activity. It's 5.27 billion. Now what is the benefit of it? Now let me ask you a quick question. Can you tell me what is the total collection in 2018? I just want a random figure. From here, can you tell me what is the total collection for 2018? Because if 5.27 is for action and adventure, then 1.91 is for the animation and so forth. So what is the sum of all these? Can you give me any random figure or the estimated number? I'll give you a hint. Just look at the axis.
Will be like 98 plus 38 plus 28 plus.
No,
Okay, it's very difficult.
it's close to, I would say, 10 billion.
Okay.
It's close to 10 billion. Now, in 2010, I would say it's almost 2.7 billion or 2.8 billion. But in a line chart, it's next to impossible. Let me convert that also into billion first of all. As of now, this is in million, so I want this also into billion. There you go. Now, can you tell me for 2018 or 2010 what is the total collection? It's not possible. Why? Because in line chart, this axis is only telling you the maximum movies collection, which is 5 billion, and you can see it in here. But in area chart or in a stacked bar chart, what it is telling you, it is actually doing the sum of all the categories, and then the height of the bar is dependent upon that. So that is why x's will according to the sum of all the categories. This is what I meant with this line. The height of the bar is dependent upon the sum of all categorical values. Now this is a very, I would say, a small detail. It's not a very big detail, but this comes very handy sometimes. When you want to see the actual collection for 2018 and divided by different genres, then you should go for a area chart instead of a line chart, or a stacked bar chart instead of a normal line chart. You could have chosen either bar chart or area chart. Did you get the difference? It's a stacked area chart basically. Any questions on this? I know it's a bit tricky, but if you have got it, that's good. We can move forward. Any doubt, guys?
No, 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 no. It's clear.
Perfect. Cool.